Welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to create an account on your Mega app easy and quick. So let's do it. Just you need to open your Mega app like this, and after this it will show you this page. Click create account. Here you will add your first name. So I write my first name, my last name, my email address and my password. Right now I will click agree, I understand, and click create account. And as you see the password, it's not right, I will change it. It's done. Right now I will click create account. And as you see it's connecting to the server. And right now I will wait like a confirmation or confirmation code. Click resend and they will send me an email. Right now what I have to do, I will click activate account, and as you see it's processing link, and right now I will write my password that I choose before, and I will click log in. And as you see it's connecting to the server, and right now I will choose if I want a free or I will pay, for example free account, and click this sign up with, and click continue, click allow, click continue again, click allow and continue also, click this, click allow, and this also you can click not now. So that's it guys, you have a Mega account. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.